before I take you through this slide कि IIM में क्या different है, because as I mentioned, आप सब लोग चाहते हो that to be the part of IIM. So what makes IIM differ from the other B School of India? We will be discussing in detail, but before I read this part, I want Akash to say something. I mean, share his experience, whatever he has in IIM.
Hello guys, my full name is Akash Sarkar. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Akash, you are
Yeah,
audible.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Those people have
Uh,
kept themselves in mute.
okay, okay. Guys, I'm not switching on my camera. I'm in a bit problem in a unwell conditions. I'm not switching on the camera. Hope you don't mind. Okay, so as requested by sir, I would share my experience about my IIM journey and whatever the things like I felt in studying in this like for 3 to 4 months journey. So
Go ahead,
first
Akash.
of all, being in IIM Lucknow, yeah, people know it to be one of the most rigorous institution in all the IIMs. Like as Ahmedabad is also, and also the other IIMs. IIMs have a trimester system, so you would have a three semester kind of thing in a year. So there will be six sems over the 2 years course of study, and the rigor comes in the fact not only from academics but also from other areas like your extracurriculars and your CV makings, your CV submissions, and you have deadlines at like every week, every 2 to 3 days. In some of the other things, we will be having deadline, be it your project submission, be it your assignment submission, or be it your CV submission, or any other form fillings and everything. So in the mostly the first 3 months before you get onto your summer internships, the first 3 months are the very crucial, and you have to be on like on the tip of your toes from for every moment because either you will miss something or you will be penalized for that because they will test your patience, they will test your how you can adapt to this lifestyle. This is the first thing. And the rigor also I would talk about the mostly the academics part first, the midterms, end terms, and project, as sir will also be saying. In our system, after 5 weeks of study we have midterms, and then again within 3 to 4 weeks we have the end term. And every like in the first term we had 7 to 8 papers with all subjects having the midterms or end terms, or some only 1 or 2 subjects having one exams. But in all this you also have to submit project for each of the subject, and also you have marks for your class participation, so that you doesn't remain silent in class. The teacher also sees that you are there in class, not only switching off your camera and sitting just. And also your project should be not kind of just the projects that we did in our college, or we used to do in schools. The projects are not that kind of. There will be a high plagiarism checker. So even at like the last of the at the last moment, your submissions will be in at the we say it EOD, end of the day. So before last 1 hour you have to submit this to your class representatives, and from that, before that, you have to check plagiarism through different software that it doesn't cross the certain limit as mentioned by the prof. But even after that, the prof will check through his software. So you have to be very much keen on your information whatever you are giving, and whatever things you do, you just can't copy from somewhere. You have to be very diligent. And the group exercise comes in effect because projects mostly occurs in a group. Not only project, what other activities you are doing, your participation and your all kind of activities are assigned in a group. And also I should come about case study that also requires a group. See, HBS case study, we are given a list of
Harvard Business School.
Harvard Business School case studies we get from the first of our classes, be it any subject, be it finance, be it marketing, or your business communications. There are various kind of subjects we'll also come across in a very short time. So there you have to deal with case studies, and mostly the subject of marketing has mostly more case studies. And in IIMs, what the way the case studies are uh, taught, actually it's they're not, they will not spoon feed you, but you have to read the case study and be at least prepared from your side before the class. You will be of course you will be intimated that which thing you have to prepare. According to that, you have to read the case study. Of course, in the initial period you will not be very much easy with the thing, but of course you will do it. So the case study must be read before the class, and also you have to come prepared to give your deliveries on the case studies. Then only the professor will help you, and professor will help the class, and also he will give his inputs, his or her inputs. But before that, you should also be ready with your deliveries and why you are thinking that, what is the reason behind that, and what you are thinking that what can be done, because case study are always about a problem, like any options, what are the 3 or 4 options you are having, why you are choosing this, why you didn't choose the other option, what are the advantages in this option, why, what are the disadvantages in that option. So you have to make a keen study on these things. And then I should also speak about the weekly quiz. Quiz is very common thing in IIMs. Quizzes, I would say, is a kind of class assessment type of thing, and that is also very much counted and a part of your curriculum, and will be added for, in your CGPA. And whenever you're just having a 2 to 3 sessions to 4 sessions, you'll be having quizzes for every subject you are having in a term, and minimum 2 quizzes to maximum of 5 quizzes you can have for any subject. And now in this online scenario, we are having quizzes through Google Forms, but it's not that you can cheat or you can do it like anything you will find from your book. You have to be very much thorough with the syllabus, because you will be just be the MCQ will be just given, most of the time it's MCQ, so you will be given only 10 to 15 minutes to solve the quiz, and like you'll not given a second to, if you fail the time, you'll before submitting, then your quiz will not be counted. I mean, you lose your marks. So you have to be very much time bound and very much at the tip of your toes, as I said before all. And with this quiz, case study, midterm, interns, projects, classes, and everything, the things that will come in your way will make you more rigorous, will make it a bit like you will feel the situation a bit harder, because the CV making is a very important point. CV making and making your profile a bit better, because coming from college, or after you have, some will have work experience of 1 to 2 years or 3 years, but you are coming in a management school, and then you have to prepare for your some, be it summer placement, be it final placement, you have to prepare for in a different manner. So that preparation will is not done only through academics. You have to do many other things, and those things have also a diverse things. Sir will also be telling about those, and you will also be coming to, you will also come to know in few coming months. So that things go hand in hand with academics. So you have to sorry for the sound. You'll be you have to handle those things along with your academics, and those things will also have very sacrosanct deadlines. So but your profs will not listen that you had that something or something to be submitted, or something work to be done. That is the thing. So of course you will learn that happens. And clubs and committees are there in every B schools, as also in IIMS. But here the selections and things are also done very diligently. They have also processes like 2 or 3 rounds in every clubs and committees, be it a music club, dance club, quizzing club. There are also academic interest groups of finance, marketing, operations, various. And these committees they collate with the groups, and they also send invitations to other B schools. This is a process through which you can we deep delved into this system, and your network increases as and more as you participate. And although if you are not a member, then also you have the options to participate, and there will be very much competition, there will be quizzes, there will be engagements that will come across. So, and that everything has to be done keeping your academics as they are going. Of course, academics is not the only thing you have to do, but there's something there is some mark that you have to be there in your academics. You just can't leave that. With that, you have to do these things. Corporate interaction happen in IIMs very frequently, or being in a remote setup now, being in this pandemic situation, it is a bit less. But still, if we have lectures from alumni who are working in HUL, who have worked in Unilever, Nestle, and just I remember for in business communications we had a well-known, I will not name, but we had a well-known director from Tollywood film industry, and he has worked with Jamshed, the Tata Group, and many other groups, and they give their lectures for 1 to 1.5 hour, even 2 hours. They give you a very real-time scenario of what is happening in market, when how you do when you come after your B school. Like, well, now I am in B school. When I'll be going out of the B school, the thing will not be actually the same what is happening in a B school. So the real time scenario you'd get much to know from these lectures, and this corporate interaction would happen maybe in the second year, would be much more as we hope to be in campus. And the 0 day placement, yeah, I would come to this point. Placement scenarios are various kinds of things happen in placement. It's a very that's also a very rigorous process, and like it's an experience that you will the students who come from a they come from different backgrounds, who have not been into placements before. They I would talk of case of mine. I am from a very different background. I am from science background, not from engineering background or in a technical background, who have been into this placement season. This was the first in my case. So you'll have a new set of experience. And in IIMS, the placement, you have to follow many rules and regulations, and you just can't be on your whatever you feel you can't do like that. And 0 day is a concept that happens in IIMS and other top B schools, in which even before the actual placement starts, there are very top-notch companies that are contacted, and they select students based on their profile before the actual process, and they take their interviews before the first day. And through the interviews, before interviews, there are some tests, and the students whose profilings are selected, their test, and then their interviews are done by some top-notch firms, by some investment banking, some other firms, which take the interviews and takes those selected candidates before that. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, so they take those candidates, and they are signed off from the process. And this is the some top offers that the top students only in the campus gets. So I think I've covered much of the part, and I would also like to say one thing. Uh, be it IIM or be it any other B school, of course, people aspire to go to IIM, as sir was also saying. But it's not that once you enter IIM, your everything is done. On in IIMs also, you have to make your mark. Of course, you are segregated from a whole lot of students, whole lot of community. You are at a better place, but also in that there's a great competition, because you'll be studying with the best of the fellows of the country. Even students who have done their undergraduation, done their post graduation, they have various backgrounds, and did also some research work and post graduation from abroad. They have come and they're now studying in IIMs. Even I have students such in IIM Lucknow. So you have to be very much always in practice. Always you have to keep yourself updated and keep yourself in track with what your friends and what your colleagues are doing, and also what is being taught, what are the activities going on in college, and these things. And okay, so I think I've covered many of the things. And I would also thanks guide me and sir for inviting me, so that I have shared my experience. I think this would be valuable for all the candidates who are attending this webinar today. And another thing I should also say, be although many of you maybe would be going to I, many would be not, many going to other B schools, be it IFT, any other, there are many good B schools across the country. And it's not that if you are not going to IIM, you are it's done, you are not doing your MBA. MBA from any good B school has a good brand value in the market. And Dheeraj sir would be telling you. Dheeraj sir is a very experienced person, and he knows the market very much from very much deep, very much better than me, because I'm a fresher. And being here, I would also say, whether you are going to IIM or any other B school, there are the things that you will require help. It's a work of a counselor, be it anyone. There is a requirement of a designated counselor, a person or a group of person or an institution who can help you, because of course you will get help from your college or before. When now people, you have given CAT, you will be giving other exams, you will be sitting for college interviews, your GDPI process, you would be having many doubts in your mind. You'd be having, as I had also had, you'd be having many doubts in hand. You'll be having many questions that what you should do, what forms should fill up on in when you are in college, which company should you apply to, which role you feel you are good fit for, and how would be that process after the college, how would be that company, how is the work culture, how is the things that are going to pan out, how will manage this. So there will be many questions, there will be many doubts, there will be many things that you have to think for. So I'd always say you require some designated counselor, some knowledge person who have the real time market scenario in their mind, who have studied the market, who have been in the market, who have a good experience, and who knows the industries much more than us. And only those person, you have to select a right person who can help you, because always at any point of time you will require guidance. And believe it, students, when you will be there in any B schools, you would require it, because always your seniors will be there helping you in your college, your professors maybe also will be helping you. But there are some person, like it will be a advantage for you, it will be a boon for you, that who, if they can guide you, because otherwise you will feel that you are lacking somewhere. So that is the thing. So I think that's all the part I would make sure I've done
Thank
it.
you, Akash.
And yeah,
Akash, I
yeah,
would like to ask some questions for these people. I mean, you are currently doing MBA and you have almost experienced some 7, 8 months in 6, 7 months in IIM. What time
yes,
your day begins and what time your days normally ends by completing all the assignment and classes, everything? If you
right,
can
right.
just briefly tell
Mhm.
about it.
Right, sure. So the days are very, first I would like to say you have a 24/7 kind of setup, although Sunday remains a holiday, but in all terms, you don't get a holiday. Now, in Monday to Saturday, that's the thing from 9 a.m., your classes begins. And when I was saying about the quizzes, when the quizzes are there, at least you have to start from 8. From the 8, you will be having quizzes. So you can think of your day starting from at least 8 in the morning and ending. The end depends upon you, but you will be having so many classes within that, your assignment submissions, your project submission, you have to sit with your groups, be it online set, you have to sit in Google Meets with your friends, with your group members, for uh every assignment, for every subject. You have to discuss, you have to do your individual work, then you have to again collate. And within this, you have to do your classes, you have to fill the forms for the companies, you have to do the projects materials, you have to collect, you have to do some research, and also you have to read books, you have to make your notes, you have to everything, many things come in your way. So I would say, starting from early in the, like 8 in the morning, your things would not end by 1 or 2 in the night. And like there are some situations where the initial times, as I was saying, this pressure is much, because you have to prepare for your interviews, you have to prepare for your GDs, and that go on till like 4 a.m. in the morning. We have seen that till 4 a.m., even till 5 a.m. we have done work. And of course, we will also get some respite when we wait for respite. We wait that sometime we will get a holiday or something. But of course, because of pandemic and everything, the schedule is a bit crushed now. We have a time crunch. But in IIM, the rigor is in such a way that you get used to this, that from morning to night you have a way of working, and whenever you are getting a small time, you learn to manage time. Like you will be having your engagements in such a way that you are devoted to time. You have to do many work. So quiz, assignments, projects, case studies, everything you have to do. And so starting in the 7 to 8 in the morning, you have to do it till at least 12 to 1. Of course, you will get some 5 to 6 hours of sleep, and even if you are good, you can manage within that also some time. And of course, you will have many other things to do. Yeah, but
आकाश,
that
अगर
journey
एक
have to
इंसान
happen.
8 बजे सुबह से पढ़ाई करना चालू करेगा या 9 बजे से चालू करेगा, एंड इफ ही स्टडीज टिल
हाँ
फोर
सर।
ओ क्लॉक यार, ये तो तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी उसकी।
राइट, अगर देखिए ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एकदम कंटिन्यू ही स्टडिंग, एज आई वाज सेइंग कि बिफोर द प्लेसमेंट सीजंस, बिफोर द समर्स एंड ऑल, there are various kind of works to do. So maybe you're doing your classes, after that you're getting a half an hour, 1 hour respite. Then you have to prepare for some company specific domain preparation, then you have to do some project work. Maybe then you are getting some leave, but then your preparations for your group discussions, preparations for your interviews, and many things to be done. So of course, like if you want, like it has happened with me also, like in night after 12, you have some, your seniors would be there who will be guiding you, who will be also teaching you in this process, because it's not only the professor and academics that happens only in IIMs, because you have most many other things to be done. So you'll be requiring their help. You have to make the networks more strong there. So there in the night you will be having some respite, of course, like someone sleeps from 12 to 5, then you have to work again from 6 in the morning. So in like ऐसा बस बीचों बीचों में आपको थोड़ा वो मिलेगा आपको, आप तब थोड़ा रेस्ट कर पाओगे, तब वो कर पाओगे, बट लाइक आपको चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी कि आपको ये करना है, आपको वो आप भूल नहीं सकते, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग और मिसिंग आउट, लाइक आप उस पर रिग्रेट करोगे, ये बात आ जाएगा।
Akash, do you, I mean, in last 6 months, did you get the time to watch some movies? I mean, halls are not open, but did you get the time to watch movies at home? Do you get enough time apart from sleep to take bit of entertainment into hand?
Right. I am not an avid movie seeker, but yes, I have managed. I have managed that. That like sometimes happen कि यार अभी अभी बहुत हो गया, अभी नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब अभी अभी नहीं होगा, ऐसे होता है। तो कोई गाना सुन लेता है, कोई मूवी देख लेता है, कोई कोई सीरीज देख लिया, तो कोई कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लेता है। तो ऑफ कोर्स उसमें हो जाता है मैनेज कर।
Okay.
1 घंटा तो मैनेज कर ही सकते हो अपने अपने के लिए, वो
Right.
हो जाता है। लाइक इन द फर्स्ट मुझे भी लगता था कि इट्स टू मच, बट होता है। ऑफ कोर्स प्रेशर इज देयर, बट यू विल फाइंड वेज, यू विल फाइंड वेज टू गो थ्रू दिस अ प्रोसेस।
दीपावली दीपावली दुर्गा पूजा मनाने का मौका मिला था इस साल?
नो,
कितने दिन
आई
छुट्टी
वुड
थी
से
दीपावली
कि
की, दुर्गा पूजा की?
I would say this time the things were bit bad. In Durga Puja, we had our exams. We had our end term exams for first term, and till I remember till Navami, I had my exams, and after that we had to start for our summer internships, preparations, and all that. So Durga Puja, we didn't get any holiday in that sense. Just a day official holiday, but we had to do many things after. We had some project presentation, we had some other things. Yeah, in Deepavali we had 2 days of leave because other works were done. Deepavali we had 2 days of leave, but Durga
Okay.
Puja this year we couldn't manage. But other years you have 1 2 holidays. This year the things are very different. People will know.
Okay. आकाश, एक चीज और पूछना था कि
जरूर सर।
how important is the role of seniors? I mean, how much they are engaged into your practice, as we hear that, in MBA colleges like top B schools of India, uh, mostly the clubs, committees, and multiple of the activities are being managed by the student itself. It's not driven by the student. चाहे वो प्लेसफॉर्म हो या कुछ भी चीजें हो, सीवी करवानी हो, आपकी इंटरव्यू की प्रैक्टिस करवानी हो, ये सारी चीज स्टूडेंट्स करवाते हैं। फैकल्टी का काम है सिर्फ एजुकेशन पॉइंट पार्ट को कवर करना। कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी कि सीनियर्स कितने ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं आपके साथ में? एज अ स्टूडेंट, व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद योर सीनियर्स?
राइट राइट राइट। देखिए क्या होता है, तो आई थिंक पीपल आर गुड विथ हिंदी, नो वन हैज प्रॉब्लम राइट ना हिंदी
हिंदी बोलो
समझने
ना।
में।
हाँ, एवरीवन
ओके
एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड,
ओके
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
ओके ओके ओके। सो क्या है बात इसमें, आपको जो आप जो प्रोसेस प्रोसेस में जा रहे हो, व्हेन यू इन दिस एंटरिंग अ बी स्कूल, आई वुड से माय एक्सपीरियंस दैट even whatever B school you are going, you would not know what happens in a B school, how are the things going on. But your seniors who are 1 year, who have seen the process from very close end, they only know that how to go about this. Of course, at the moment you will feel that how you will do this, but your seniors have done this, they have gone through this person, they are the only person who will be the best to guide you for at least for that college, because they have seen this process, they have been into this, and they have passed through this. So only they can guide you in the most better way, and the faculties will do only the academics part of thing, and you have to be very diligent with them, you have to do with academics. But starting from your clubs, your committees, and your there's some academic groups also. Out of 500 students, only 100 to 150 students will be there, but there are many works to be done in these clubs, committees, and groups, that has to be done by the seniors, the members who are there in the club, and they have to make the selection procedure. So you have to be in connect with them, you have to be through phases of selection which will be done by these bodies, these councils. So yeah, you have to be in a very connection with them. And your placement preparations, when it's being done, of course, if you want some help from your faculty in any subject or something, they will of course help you for your placement thing. But how the process happens is done totally by your seniors, because starting from your CV making, I know, I think many people who here will be there who haven't made CV before. Even I was a person like that. So they, even your seniors will be there कि they will say कि हाँ मेरा भी ऐसा ही हाल था एक साल पहले. But you will do the thing. You will not, मतलब आप कैसे ये चीज कर जाओगे. There will be pressure. They will help out कि आपको एक पॉइंट कैसे लिखना है, आपको उसको कैसे सजाना है, आपको किसके पास जाना है. मतलब they will be various kinds of seniors, various kinds of people from various kind of backgrounds who will help you, who will guide you through this process कि आपको इसको कैसे करना है. सीवी के बाद आपका इंटरव्यू का प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना है, कौन से कंपनी में कौन से सीनियर ने काम इंटर्नशिप किया होगा या काम किया होगा, कुछ उसको नॉलेज है, तो यू कैन डाउट कि हाँ आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन मुझे ऐसे पूछे थे, तो या यू कैन प्रिपेयर ऑन दिस. So that will also help you. And also your GD process and other some quizzes and all, they know how the professors they have been exposed to. Maybe some professors are a bit strict, some are not that strict, so you will know from that. So our club committees, your CV making, your CV submissions, your placement preparations, everything has very much important role from the side of your seniors. So you have to be in well connect with them, and you, of course you'll get help from them. There is a
Akash,
induction process that just a minute, sir. There will be induction process in the beginning of when you are starting your MBA in your B school, where you would be driven through as many as group activities, through which you will be knowing the contact, you will be getting a very close to your seniors, even if not all. Of course it's not possible to know 500 of your seniors, but you will come to know many, and you will find persons that whom you can contact when you need. That's it. Yeah sir, boliye sir.
आकाश, ये सीवी प्रिपरेशन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है आपके कॉलेज में? ऐसा सुना गया कि आईआईएम में सीवी प्रिपरेशन एक बहुत लेंदी एक्टिविटी होती है. इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू प्रिपेयर योर सीवी. नॉर्मली हम लोग जो सीवी बनाते हैं वो 1 से 1.5 घंटे में हमारी सीवी तैयार हो जाती है. व्हाट वाज योर केस? आई एम श्योर आपकी सीवी तैयार हो गई होगी, बिकॉज एसआईटी ओवर हो चुकी है आईआईएम लखनऊ में, तो आपकी सीवी
Right.
तैयार हो चुकी होगी. हाउ मच टाइम डिड यू टू कंप्लीट दैट, एंड हु हेल्प्ड यू टू प्रिपेयर दैट इन अ बेटर वे?
Right. CV is when we came into B school, we knew that yeah. अभी हमको पता चला कि CV is a very much, मतलब सबसे important, like seniors used to say कि like अभी सब कुछ भूल जाओ, CV को पूजा करो. सुबह शाम CV को पूजा करो, CV को बनाओ. यही तुम्हारा अभी, मतलब तुम्हें तो नाम से तुम्हारा तो कोई पहचानेगा नहीं, वो CV से ही तुम्हें लोग पहचानेंगे. तो ऐसा ही बात है. तो CV आपको बनाना है वैसे ही. अभी लाइक एज आई सेड कि मैंने भी पहले कभी इन दैट सेंस वैसे कभी अच्छे से कभी सीवी बनाई नहीं थी. कुछ होता भी नहीं है, 22-23 साल में कोई इतना बड़ा बड़ा अचीवमेंट्स होता नहीं. बट यू विल गेट अवे इज दैट आपको पता चलता है कि आपने किया है, कुछ ना कुछ आपने लाइफ में किया है. तो एक प्रोसेस रहता है, जैसे आपने सब कुछ नोट डाउन कि आपने क्या क्या किया है, उसमें से आपको सीनियर्स आपको बताएंगे, आपको गाइड करेंगे. ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू रीच आउट टू देम. आपको आपका क्या कहते हैं वो, आपको आपका गरज आपको दिखाना पड़ेगा कि हाँ मुझे करना है. तो वो भी आपको दिशा आपको दिखाएंगे. दे विल बी योर टॉर्च बियरर. दे विल शो दैट या यू हैव डन दिस, तो यू कैन लाइट अप योर पॉइंट इन दिस मैनर. तो आप वो अच्छे से आपको वो दिखा सकते हैं कि हाँ मैंने ये काम किया है. मे बी दैट विल बी स्टैंड गुड फॉर एनी any recruitment process. तो ऐसे फिर आपको पॉइंट को आपको कैसे अच्छा और अच्छा बनाना है, कैसे आपको अलाइनमेंट करना है. एक CV should be a one page and it looks should have everything, your academics, your extracurriculars, your work experience, if you are having your internships, and your any special activities that you want to show to your recruiter that you are attached to, be hobbies, anything it can be. So for every block of your CV has to be looked on very nicely. तो उस ब्लॉक्स में आपको आपके सीनियर से हेल्प चाहिए होगा कि आप किस ब्लॉक को, किस पॉइंट को कैसे आप दिखाएंगे, कैसे आप उसको और लाइटन अप करेंगे, क्योंकि ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. उसके बाद भी ये CV आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, बट पॉइंट विल कम कि मेरे साथ हुआ है कि like in IIMs they like will getting 1 to 1.5 month at least, and max to max 1.5 month you will get 40 to 45 days in which you can starting from zero you have to reach a very good point of your CV. There will be many submissions like your first round of submission, your second round of submission, your third round of submission, through which you will be become more and more better day by day with your CV.
थैंक यू आकाश. मुझे अभी भी याद है कि यू टुक ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20 days टू कंप्लीट योर सीवी एवरी डे, करीब 2 से 3 घंटे. लाइक हमारी भी बातचीत होती थी कि सर ये सीवी कैसे बनाऊं, ये देखो ठीक है कि नहीं, ये पॉइंट को ऐड करूं कि. So I still remember, your preparation of CV. So it almost took 20 days to complete the CV. That day only I understand how much important is to prepare the CV. Thank you so much, Akash. Thank you so much for taking out the time today. I'm sure you have got a class just now. Thank you so much for being with us.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to be connected with Guide Me Education Services, to be in connect with you. इतने बच्चों को अभी हम बोले हैं तो yeah, someone is having a question.
Please go ahead.
हाँ, please बोलिए.
2-3 questions.
Hello Akash, very good evening. I'm Ado.
Good evening.
Go
Good
ahead.
evening. Hi.
Okay, I'll be sound a bit equal. I'm at my ground side. All right. Akash, firstly, congratulations for getting into IIM. I'm Abhishek from Kolhapur.
Okay.
Yes. Akash, actually, I have a question. Like you said about the CV, correct? I just want to know कि कितना ज़्यादा important है कि LinkedIn पे प्रोफाइल बनाना, Facebook पे भी मेंटेन रखना, हर सोशल मीडिया पे अपना प्रोफाइल मेंटेन रखना.
Okay, Abhishek, right? Your name is Abhishek, or
yes, Abhishek.
Yeah, Abhishek. Yeah, LinkedIn is a very important thing. Of course, even when I hadn't come to B school, I was not much inclined to LinkedIn or something, like I didn't know much. But of course, Dheeraj sir will also say you how is LinkedIn important. Facebook and other things is something that is not very much important for your professional, your work kind of thing. But LinkedIn is very important because in LinkedIn there are many company specific persons are there, and when you are making your profile more and more better on LinkedIn, you will get a good connect with many more people. Of course, it's not that your CV is the first and foremost thing. Maybe it's not possible to post everything on your LinkedIn profile, but yeah, you'll be able to do that, but you have to be in connect. In the initial days you have to form more and more connections over LinkedIn, make your reach more and more to various kinds of people from B schools, from HRs, from companies, from the leaders from various institutions, from the markets, and you will see many good posts there. That will also very important. You're keeping a good profile is also, I would say, important. Of course, it's not the like say you're not done with it, so it's not that you will not be able to do anything. But of course, if it's there, it will help you. Not an initial one, but it will help you. But CV is the very much important thing that you have to be prepared and be thorough with it.
Okay, yeah.
I think I have answered, right? Anything you want to say? Yeah.
Just okay. Thanks a lot. We'll get connected.
Welcome.
What I would also add a point out here. देखो IIM में जाना primarily important ये होता है कि आपकी networking काफी important होती है. If you are a part of any of the IIMs, why do people go to IIMs? It's not that कि वहाँ पे placement आपको 15 लाख की और 20 लाख की मिल जाएगी. The reason why do a lot of people go to IIM is because they get networking with good people around. आप जिन बच्चों के साथ पढ़ाई कर रहे हो आज के 5 साल 7 साल बाद किसी बड़ी कंपनी में बड़े पोजीशन पे रहते हैं. जो इस साल मुझे लग रहा है कि IIM के सारे बच्चे मिस कर, बिकॉज आई हैव इंटरव्यूड लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम IIM, IIT एंड FMS, सारे कॉलेज के बच्चों को मैंने इंटरव्यू किया है। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप देख सकते हो जिन बच्चों का हमने इंटरव्यू किया है। मैंने एक चीज नोटिस किया और वो हर जगह पे पाया कि ये लोग इस साल जो मिस कर रहे हैं वो IIM की एजुकेशन को मिस नहीं कर रहे, बिकॉज दे आर गेटिंग द सेम क्वालिटी कंटेंट एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन प्लेस। व्हाट पीपल आर मिसिंग इज अ पीयर ग्रुप। जो नेटवर्किंग का मौका मिलता है आपको आपके कॉलेज में जाकर के, वो नेटवर्किंग का मौका आपको ओवर द फोन नहीं मिल पा रहा है। आप अपने ग्रुप्स में ही कनेक्टेड रह रहे हैं, बिकॉज आपको असाइनमेंट करना है तो आपको 4 या 5 लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड रहना होगा, but you are not getting the chance to interact with the other 500 people. I mean, if your college has got 500 people, you are not getting the chance to meet with them and interact with them, right? Any more questions? Because Akash will be leaving up for his class. Thank you so much, Akash. Thank you so much for being the part of this.